This is going to be a video tutorial on how to place text on an image in Google Slides. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Google Slides here. Okay, I have Google Slides opened up now. The way that I like to do it, I have a blank slide here. I have a picture in a folder here that I'm just going to hold down my left mouse button, drag it over, and drop it on my slide. Now you could resize this as needed. I'm going to make mine about like this here. To place text over this image, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is go up to the top up here to where you see the little text icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to draw out a text box. I'm going to move my cursor about right over here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and I'm going to drag out a text box. I'll make it about like that. I'm going to let go of my left mouse button. Now I'm going to place my mouse cursor inside of that text box. And the first thing I'm going to do to make this easier, I'm going to change the color of my text. I want white text. By default, it'll be black text. But all you got to do is go right up here. If you put your mouse cursor over this A with the black underline, it says text color. I'm going to click on text color, and I'm going to change my text color to white. I'm going to type out my text. Now I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to drag across my text to highlight my text. I'm going to go up to the top up here. You can change your font if you'd like right here. I'm going to leave my font the way it is, but I'm going to bump up the size of my text by clicking on this plus right here. And I'm going to click on the B right here to make it bold. And now you could place your mouse cursor over the bounding box around the text to position your text wherever you would like. I'm going to put mine about right there. And that is how you place text on an image in Google Slides. Thanks for watching.